weapon in my hand and many innocent skulls just waiting to be bashed in. You guys know what time it is. Ocean Man covering a song to monetize the video. You must understand. Ocean Man dodging DCMs around the globe is a real trip. Ocean Man avoiding copyright strikes across all the land. The endless YouTube grind feels so grand. Ocean Man. Go. That's right, we're back with more Paint the Town Red. Some major updates just dropped, including apparently some even crazier physics than before. Guys are just flying everywhere. Man meat is getting all over the ground with this new update. You can now add custom map packs, custom skins, so many custom things. Whoa, back up, buddy, back up. You need to back up. So many things can be added to this game now, and people have just been on a frenzy in the workshop. Like, there's zombies up the wazoo. I'm not even joking. There's so many zombie levels, so many new things to try out, at least in terms of user-created content. And that's basically what this game is for, and I love it. I love it to death. I mean, just look at, you guys have seen this before, right? The new Shockwave. It's just crazy. Everything is just crazy. I love it. I love it so much I'm gonna kick you in the face. That's how I express my love for people. Oh. What happened to that pirate level where you could get eaten by a shark? I want to play that again. Oh well, anyway. This is Ocean's Man. And it's based off of a dream that the creator had. Kudos, it's very imaginative, very cool looking. I love the random giant guitar for no reason whatsoever. It's very fun. I like the, what is this? Ooh, can I run on this? How high can I go? How high can I go? Can I, oh. Ooh, okay, a little further. And I'm on top of the world, yeah. Been waiting on this for a while now. Yes, okay. Oh, did you see that? That was a good throw. I didn't kill anybody, but let's go ahead and drop back down. This is so cool. Look at this. Look at this. And then I could probably, whoa, oh man, Planet Coaster has nothing on this. We're taking these hairpin turns like it's nobody's business. Can we do the loop-de-loop? Oh, no, we can't. We can't climb the loop-de-loop. Oh, well. Hey, guys, there's a height requirement for this ride. There's a height requirement for this ride. No, don't make me call park security. Okay, I am park security. And I say that you are too violent for this establishment. Oh, this must be the boss. Sorry, are you upper management? Height requirements are very, very strict here. You know the rules. I don't make them, I just enforce them. And these guys are having fun dancing while everybody's dying. Not for much longer. No one has fun on my watch. Ooh. oh, I love this game. Oopsie. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I trip ya? Oh. Ooh. Okay, gotta pick this thing. Go. Wait. I just wanna have my moment. This is my dream. This is every little girl's dream. You're not gonna take it away from me. Ooh. No. Oh. Okay. Oh. Wow. Ooh. Things are getting a little too close for comfort. Oh. What can I do? Is there a gun? Ooh, there's a gun. Let's see if the. Yep, guns are still just as satisfying to use as ever. Oh, excuse me. Back up, sir. Back up. Are you dead yet? Why are you guys are taking these like champs. These are bullets. Was the oh, there we go. Okay, apparently this level has some extremely durable carnival stage hands, or whatever you call those guys. Goodbye, sir. The park is now closed. This dream world has become your nightmare. Alright, only 2 people left. Only 2 people to hunt down. This is my dream. Ooh, there's one guy staring out into the sunset. Do you feel anything strange when you stand next to a handsome man like me? I know what I feel. I feel a distinct urge to do a little something like this. Oh, okay. Okay, you're a little tougher than I gave you credit for. Is it too late to apologize? Is it too late to apologize? I was told that it's never too late. Ooh. Ah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. This guy's the He was the master. But I have surpassed him. Ocean. Yep, there it is. Ocean Man. Great. Where's the last guy? Is he an ocean hermit? Sitting somewhere on the edge of the map? That would be neat. Oh, there you are. Biohazard. That's what this is called. We are infiltrating a lab where the zombie virus is supposedly being studied, but little did we know, they're not actually looking for a cure. They're looking for a way to enhance it. When we are going in to stop them before they unleash even more zombies upon an unsuspected population. Who are these guys? Are these test subjects? Don't mind me, I'm just Mr. Science Man number 3241-048. Everything's fine. We're all fine down here. How are you? That seems like a very inefficient way to test for the zombie virus, but I'll leave you guys to it. Oh, hi, boss. Hi, boss. How you doing? Working hard or hardly working? So it looks like we gotta break these guys out. I wonder if they'll actually attack the guards. I hope they do. That would be really something. Ooh, even more areas. What is this? That's a really big zombie! Oh no, here they come. I didn't mean to do it. Oh gosh, jeez, guy, whoa, okay, whoa, that was not my fault. That was your faulty containment procedures. Oh, okay, he's dead already? I mean, that's fine by me. Oh, no, what's going on? Guys, why are you attacking me? I'm just an innocent scientist. I'm just an innocent scientist. I didn't mean it. Oh gosh, they're ganging up on me, something fierce. Looks like I gotta be the riot control for the riot control. The riot, what do you, who riot controls the riot controllers? Guns, 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 guns. Bam! Ooh, nice. Let's go back into this. Oh, there's so many people just waiting. Line them up and put them down. Oh my gosh, you are dedicated to your work. He's coming at me with a cleaver and he's missing his entire right torso. Sir, I think you might in fact be infected with zombieism, but don't worry. We're here in a facility with the cure, and I'm about to administer it right now. It didn't work. Okay, let's grab up the bat and start smashing in some heads like this guy. You really need to go down. Sir, you really need to go down. Okay, thank you. Oh, I always get kind of worried when the durability is stupidly high on those guys because I feel like it's gonna take forever, and I don't have forever. Okay, there's things to do, people to kill, and time is short. Life is just too short to spend not brutally murdering your work colleagues, you know? You didn't hear that from me. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh, ow. Okay, excuse you. Why are you naked? I think being naked in a zombie test containment facility is probably the last thing you want to be. Excuse me. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? You know what? It's time to show you my version of the cure. It's called breaking faces. Come on. Yeah, I'm through his defenses. Oh, I love the berserk power. Come on, just get this guy. There we go. Oh, it's so satisfying. It is so unnaturally satisfying to see people's heads explode like that. Gun. Oh, of course. I just knocked his hand off by throwing the gun at him. Oh, I almost feel sorry for you. Oh, they recognize me as the real threat in the room after I blew that guy in half. That was so insane. Oh, I love this game so much. Nice! And they take damage from the fall. Oh, it's so good. It's all so good. Thank you for this update. It was, I worried before, I've been worried that this game was actually gonna start dying, actually, because, you know, updates, not that I keep up with them, but it felt like the game as a whole was starting to kind of slow down, but this is gonna breathe some new, fresh life into it that I think is sorely needed and is very much welcome. So kudos to all of you who have been working on these amazing biohazard suits and zombie skins and just everything else. This game is so much fun to just run around and waste time in. It's neato. It's really neato. It's an entire, oh, the beloved katana. The iconic katana. That's how you, this is how I'll show you guys how to put down a prison revolt. Alright, looks like the zombie threat has been eliminated, along with the threat of everybody else who was alive in this building. But hey, you know what? They can't be zombies if they're already dead. I mean, well, technically I guess a zombie is a person who was dead, but I killed them so hard that they died to death, so I think we're good here. Let's move on. Last level I got time to look at is the Crazy 88, which is essentially a giant custom level referencing that scene in Kill Bill where Uma Thurman kills everybody. You remember, you know, that one scene, that one very particular unique scene where the main character just goes on a rampage, kills everyone? Yeah, it's a very specific, I'll blink and you'll miss it moment. But you know, if you watch Kill Bill very thoroughly, then I'm sure you'll catch it. Anyway, let's see why it's called the Crazy 88. That looks like about I think you're missing a couple. that would appear to be about thereabouts. It seems to be approximately 88 people, but I could be wrong. Oh my gosh, it's a tidal wave. It's a tidal wave of guys. This is so silly. They can't even keep. They keep tripping. It's really hard to laugh and try to keep up at the same time. Okay, I know exactly what I want out of this. Watch and be amazed. Whoa. Okay, that wasn't quite what I was expecting. Whoa, back up. Back it up. Let me get my katana back. And just start that all again. They're all stuck. They're all stuck. It's an orgy of man flesh. Oh yes, let me just sink into that. Let me see what happens when I do it right in the middle. Ooh. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is amazing! I'm trying not to be too loud, but oh my gosh, this is amazing. I can't even tell you. I can't even tell you how amazing this is. Excuse you. Okay, I think I lost my sword in that melee there, but let me look around in the other rooms to see if there's anything. Bammo! Whoosh! That's like Fusroda, man. That's some Dragonborn stuff right there. That was amazing. Got a room that needs clearing? Well, let me show you a little trick I learned back on the Throat of the World. Fusroda! Oh, amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the legs right out from under ya. Oh, you actually can't cut the legs out. Oh, I forgot how much fun it is to dismember people. And now they all just turn on each other, apparently, in a horrific melee of bloody limbs and scattered appendages. Ooh, okay. Oh, wow. Ooh, yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. Okay, wow. Well, okay, I'll just leave you guys to it. Whoa, my gosh, they're really going at it. Look at this. Oh no, I'm getting the giggles again. Oh boy, this was not a good idea. I thought I could funnel them into a tight corridor, but it turns out to be horrible. It turns out to be a mess. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. I gotta get out of here. I gotta go. Okay, move. Get me out. Let me out. Whoa. Okay. Oh, you can actually make noise by hitting the things. That's cool. That's really cool. Neat little touch there. Oh. Oh, I know what I want. I know what I want out of this. Let me just point into the middle of that morass of men and just start clicking away. Alright, let's actually try to get this level done. You guys are still alive? Wow, you are really dedicated. Not that it'll help. I mean, you're basically just dedicated to dying at this point. Excuse you. Whoa, okay. Now that I've thinned out the herd, they're gonna be able to actually come at me more than ever. So I gotta be cautious. I gotta be sneaky. I gotta channel my inner Uma Thurman. Uma Thurman, give me strength! Okay. I've narrowed it down to these guys. I'm gonna use my smite powers and hopefully get this level cleared up. Alakazam! I'm a wizard, Harry! Ha 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 ha! I know there's a lot of hiding places playing dead, are we? Maybe. Oh, there you are. Oh, you just wanted to get in a final meal? Oh, well, I'm sorry to say, it's a good time for it because you contracted a horrible disease. It's called kneecapitis. The symptoms include being cut in half at the legs, even though that's not really being cut in half. Anyway, I'm done. I just killed 88 men in about 2 minutes. Let's get out of here. All I can say is, wow, that was really fun. Paint the Town Red, as always, very entertaining game. I'm very glad that all of these new maps are coming out for us to enjoy and for you to enjoy. And for, because, you know, it's not just to play, it's to create. And any game that asks you to be creative, hey, I'm all over that. And drop a like if you like this video and you want to see more, because I sure as heck love coming back to this every so often. And remember, I am and will remain your captain, and I will see you all on our next voyage. Stay beautiful.